Welcome to Lesson 1.2. Functions of Management. In Lesson 1.1, we introduced the concept of management and its importance within organizations. In Lesson 1.2, we will explore the four primary functions of management: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, in greater detail. Understanding these functions is essential for anyone aspiring to work in a managerial role or seeking to improve their knowledge of management. Planning. Planning is the process of setting organizational goals and determining the best course of action to achieve them. This function involves identifying long-term objectives and short-term targets, developing strategies to achieve the desired outcomes, allocating resources, such as time, money, and personnel, to execute the plans, anticipating potential challenges and developing contingency plans. Effective planning helps organizations to chart a clear path for growth, minimize risks, and stay focused on their objectives. Organizing. Organizing is the process of arranging and allocating resources to carry out the plans established during the planning function. This includes designing the organizational structure, including defining roles and responsibilities, coordinating activities among various departments and teams, allocating resources, such as staff, finances, and equipment, to ensure efficient execution of plans, establishing communication channels and reporting systems. A well-organized structure streamlines operations, facilitates collaboration, and maximizes the utilization of resources. Leading. Leading is the process of directing, motivating, and influencing individuals or groups to achieve organizational objectives. Effective leadership involves setting a clear vision and inspiring others to work towards it, communicating expectations and providing guidance, encouraging a positive work environment and promoting teamwork, adapting one's leadership style to suit the needs of different individuals or situations. Strong leadership fosters employee engagement, drives performance, and contributes to organizational success. Controlling. Controlling is the process of monitoring progress toward organizational goals, making adjustments when necessary, and evaluating performance. This function includes establishing performance standards and benchmarks, measuring and comparing actual performance against established standards, identifying areas of improvement and implementing corrective actions, evaluating the effectiveness of strategies and processes. Effective control helps organizations to identify potential issues, maintain quality standards, and continuously improve operations. Summary. In this lesson, we have explored the four primary functions of management: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, and discussed their importance in ensuring the smooth functioning of an organization and the successful attainment of its objectives. As we proceed through this course, we will delve deeper into each function, equipping you with the skills and knowledge necessary to excel in a managerial role or enhance your understanding of the field.